My name is Kushi. My name is Rishi. I study in LKG. My school name is St. Seraphina's Roof Stars in Chandapura.
Gnanapita Awards winners from Karnataka.
Gnanapita Awards winners from Karnataka. Kuvenpu, Dhanabandhi, Shivalankaras, Masti, Venkatesha Iyengar, G.K. Gokar, Veeranathamurthy, Girish Karas, Chandrasekhar Kambai.
Classical dance forms of India.
Classical dance forms of India. Bharatanatyam, Tamil Nadu, Kathakali, Kerala, Kurak, Uttar Pradesh, Manipuri, Kuchipudi, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, South Korea, Assam, Malvi dance, Uttar Pradesh, Dandiya, Kojaram, Karnataka.
Rivers of India.
Rivers of India, Brahmaputra, Ganga, Godavari, Indus, Kaveri, Krishna, Bharati, Narmada, Periyar, Kaminavarani, Vaigar, Yamuna.
National festivals.
National Festival, January 26, Republic Day, August 50, Independence Day, September 6, Teachers Day, October 2nd, Ranji Jayanti, November 14, Children's Day.
Planets in solar system.
Planets in solar system, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
Four Vedas.
Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, Atharvana Veda.
Epics of India.
Epics of India, Ramayana and Mahabharata.
Dashavatara of Lord Vishnu.
Dashatara Vishnu, Matsya, Kurma, Valaha, Nrsimha, Ramana, Parshurama, Rama, Krishna, Godda, Kalki.
7 continents of the world.
729 of the world. Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Antarctica, Australia.
5 oceans of the world.
5 oceans of the world. Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Sakar Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Antarctic Ocean.
States and capitals.
States and capitals, Andhra Pradesh, Guwahati, Andhra Pradesh, Itanagar, Assam, Bengaluru, Bihar, Patna, Chandigarh, Raipur, Goa, Panaji, Gujarat, Gandhinagar, Haryana, Chandigarh, Himachal Pradesh, Shimla, Jharkhand, Ranchi, Karnataka, Bangalore, Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram, Uttar Pradesh, Goa, Maharashtra, Mumbai, Manipur, Imphal, Meghalaya, Shillong, Meghalaya, Hyderabad, Nagaland, Kohima, Odisha, Bhubaneswar, Punjab, Chandigarh, Himachal Pradesh, Shimla, Rajasthan, Jaipur, Sippy, Gatop, Tamil Nadu, Chennai, Telangana, Hyderabad, Tripura, Agartala, Uttar Pradesh, Nagpur, Uttarakhand, Delhi, West Bengal, Kolkata.
Districts in Karnataka.
Districts in Karnataka, Bagalkot, Bellary, Venus, Bengaluru, Yola, Bengaluru, Hadba, Bengali, Savaragana, Chikkabellapura, Chidagda, Hashira Kannada, Davangere, Raman, Cuttack, Hassan, Kaveri, Kabuki, Koragu, Kolat, Kompana, Manya, ಮಾಯ್ಸ ಸೋಮಗ ತೋಮ್ಕ ಓರಪಿ ಉತ್ತರ ಕನ್ನಡ ಪಿಜಾಯಿಪುರ ರಾಜಗಿರಿ ರಾಯಚೂರು
Indian festivals.
ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಫೆಸ್ಟಿವಲ್ಸ್ ಗಣೇಶ ಚತುರ್ಥಿ ನವರಾತ್ರಿ ಪ್ರಸಾರ ದೀಪಾವಳಿ ಮಾಘಶಿವರಾತ್ರಿ ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಮಸ್ ಹೋಲಿ ಮುಗಲ ಕುರ್ಫೇರೆ
Seven wonders of the world.
Seven wonders of the high Taj Mahal Cristo Lerada Metro Jordan Great Wall of China the Roman Colosseum Machu Picchu it's an exam
Women Freedom Fighters of India.
Women Finance of India Dugabai Deshmukh Haruna Safari Jujaja Tipari Kitturani Channamma Keladi Channamma Onake Romama Vijayalakshmi Pande Charadi Rando Dasinali Lakshmi Brown
Seven colors in rainbow.
Seven colors in rainbow Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red
Official languages of India.
Official languages of India Assami, Bengali, Kuru, Rogi, Gujarati, Sindhi, Kannada, Kashmiri, Konkani, Mayana, Marathi, Maikere, Manipuri, Nepali, Oriya, Punjabi, Sanskrit, Santali, Sindhi, Tamil, Telugu, Urdu.
Names of Ritus.
Names of Padas, Vasakarato, Dismarato, Vasarato, Sarabarato, Kematarato, Sisirarato,
Hindu lunar months.
Hindu Nulama, Chaita, Vasaka, Nespo, Hasara, Savara, Patapata, Aswaja, Kartika, Makashira, Puasa, Maga, Parula.
Main agriculture products.
Main agriculture products, rice, wheat, jute, sugar cane, cotton, tea, coffee.
Most popular international airports in India.
Most popular international airports in India. Indira Gandhi Airport, Aruna New Delhi, Rajiv Gandhi Airport, Chhatrapati Shivaji Airport, Mumbai, Chennai Airport, Chennai, Kempegowda Airport, Bangalore.
Borders of India.
Borders of India, North Himalayas, South Indian Ocean, this via Bengal, thus West Bengal,
Arabian Sea.
Arabian Sea,
Kings of Karnataka.
King Force Karnataka, Pulkesi, Disadevaraya, Vishnuvarಧana, Amagavasa, Nayaka, Kitunani Channamma, Keladi Akka Bokka, Jayarajamoya, Kempegowda.
Fundamental rights of India.
Fundamental rights of India, rights to equality, rights to freedom, right to class, explanation, rights to freedom of religion,
Freedom of religion.
cultural right, education right, rights to freedom and evidence.
Five sense organs.
Five sense organs, eyes, nose, ear, tongue, snake, skin.
Indian dynasties.
Indian dynasties, Chalukya dynasties, Chola dynasties, Vaishalya dynasties, Maurya dynasties, Pallava dynasties, Mughal dynasties, Vijayalakshmi dynasties, Vardhan dynasties.
9 union territories.
9 union territories, Urali, Delhi, Chandigarh, Damarangu, Narahai, Nagar Havali, Panichari, Antoman, Ecobel Highway, Laksadi, Damu High Cosmic.
Top 10 Indian scientists.
Top 10 Indian sources. C.V. Radha Nama Susan, C.V. Rama, Homi Baba, Janadix Danabos, Nekar Saga, M. Visvasaya, Sakendra Bose, Sukya Bada Dandasekar, Vikram Sayabai, Anu Kurupta, Epuche Mukarar.
Father of the nation.
Makaniji,
National anthem.
Telangamana,
National song.
Vande Mataram,
National emblem.
Lion Capitals,
National flag.
Tigerify,
National flower.
Lotus,
National animal.
Pankar,
National sea animal.
Dolphin,
National fruit.
Mango,
National vegetable.
Pumpkin,
National book.
Bhagavad Gita,
National game.
Hockey,
National tree.
Banyan Tree,
National river.
Ganga,
National flag color.
Sawan, white and green. Thank you.